Hey guys, welcome to the show everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about a lock pick. It's from Southord. That's kind of a crazy name, but if you're in the locksmith world, I guess you know this name. Might be a combination of several guys' names, I don't know. But we're going to be talking about a lock pick. We're going to do top of the tension keyway. That is a jackknife lock pick. You can conceal this on yourself, and who knows, maybe it'll get you through something. There, we're in. I see a lot of these on the internet. It's well built. So is this other lock pick. This is 40 some bucks. That's a little pricey. I can get an H&H from Locksmith Keyless. All stainless steel. Guess how much? $14.99. Would you want to pay all that kind of money for this Southord? Kind of like the name H&H. Super engraved, by the way. I got this sent to me free of charge, so let's give it a go. I'm going to pick an American lock, and it's a cutaway, so you'll be able to see right through it. And then I'm going to use Jimmy Long's. Wow, Jimmy Long's. What a pick. Ooh, pretty good pick. I'm quite surprised. I'll pick it with that, and I'll also pick it with this other company. This is a carbon fiber lock pick. Now, I thought this was really a great lock pick, and I suggested it to all you loyal fans, but it hurts. The edges are sharp. They're all hooks, including this Southord. That's a hook, kind of a long reach hook. They have several different flavors inside this unit. Well, we'll get into it and see if you want to pay the 40 some bucks for this. Maybe you won't do it. I don't know. Maybe you will. Let's get into the show. Here's the lock pick, kind of close up. Now, it's interesting, the name is spelled upside down. If you put it like this, which kind of involves this adjustment for tightening the lockpick in place, the name's correct. Tension bar slides over the top here. It feels all right. Feels okay in the hand, by the way, when you're picking. Here's the packaging. Came in there. It even has a loop, but that loop is so hard you can't get it on your keychain very easily. There it is. Southord Jackknife lockpick. Probably go with the Locksmith Keyless model, H&H. This thing is just, where is it? It's just, what are you going to use it for? I don't know. I wouldn't spend a lot of money on these. They don't go on your keychain because who's going to have that hanging off their keychain? So you're going to put this in your pocket. You could lose this holder in your pocket. They have a rubber grommet on there, but man, I don't know. It's a toy. Buy it for your kids. Yeah, buy it for your kids. You might use it in a pinch, but I think you'd be better off carrying your lockpicks with you, really. No tension rod that works. They're tension rod. What a joke. I couldn't get it to work with anything. You gotta have a good tension rod. Slides in there. I couldn't hardly get it out. I had to pry it out with a knife. So you push that in there like that. Now it's supposed to slide out. Yeah, I guess it does. Not very easy. Otherwise you're gonna lose it. Anyway, there you go. This is Mike again with Door and Lock Tips. Thanks, guys. Stay till the end to see this thing in action. I'm going to use two other lock picks also. Upside down name? Would you put the name upside down if you held it like that. That's how I would hold it. In fact, let's see something here. If I can get it out again. This thing is impossible. It's impossible to get out. I gotta almost break it to get it out of here. That tension rod, what a bad idea. Now the picks are all gonna be, let's see, pick like this. So I guess the name is okay with the picks. Yeah, I guess. All right. Shouldn't sweat the details, I guess. 43 bucks. I'm thinking this powder coat will probably scratch off. Stick with the stainless. This will all get messy. I could take something and scratch it, but I don't want to mess it up. Well, here's the setup. It's pretty nice. I've got it in my magnetic lock-picking stand. I'm liking this. You tighten this up any direction you want. Look how cool this is, guys. I do like this. All right, so let's get it where you can see what's going on. I'm using a cutaway, but I have to do it upside down because I'm right-handed. This would be great for a left-handed person, but I'm not that. Now let's see if it works. It's an American. Oh yeah. Now look at the cuts on this bad boy. That is a number 8. Now you think that'd give us trouble, right? Well, I can get in less than 30 seconds with regular standard lock picks like the Jimmy Long. Great lock pick, by the way, Jimmy Long's. So the cuts are 86255. Pretty difficult, really. Here's the standard wrench that comes with this thing. Now, I tried last night to get this thing to work in this keyway, upper, lower, no matter what you do, you know, you're in the road. Worthless. So we can't use the standard tension wrench that comes with it. Thank you so much, Southord. We'll just put that over there. Now this one is from Covert Industries, and I do love this thing. We can get that right in there. Look at that nice shape on that. It is a great tension wrench. Actually, it's 50 thousandths of an inch. Good to know. I'm liking this tension wrench. It works really good in the American lock. Here's the Southord unit. You have a lot of picks you can choose from. Let's just count them. You got a low profile flat hook and a bunch of rakes, some other picks here, but really the main one you're going to use is a rake and this long hook. So we'll put these all away. Notice it's upside down. Oh, man. I'm thinking it would be best looking this. No, this way. Yeah. This has a O-ring on it. 40 bucks. I don't know. I'm gonna lose that in my pocket. It'll come unscrewed. So what that does is it retains these picks so they don't move. Can't hardly get it back in there. That's not good. Yeah, there we go. All right, so when you tighten that down, that kind of holds it in place. It still wobbles. $40. I'm really cranking it down. Okay, that kind of holds it firm. Really crank down. So no tension wrench is going to work with this lock, American lock. So let's see, does it get in there? Yeah, it gets in there. So let's pick this bad boy. I think we've talked enough about the fit and finish. I'm not too happy with this pick. Get this thing so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to look through a magnifying glass at these pins. I have a great magnifying glass with a light on it. And I got that from Amazon. I'll leave a description of my great setup from Amazon. Magnetic. First, we're going to do top of the tension keyway. 50 thousandths by Covert Industry, their tension bar. And it's kind of an offset tension bar. You get it right in there. Get our pick in there. You can get all the way in with this. Got a nice click on one. There's a lot of serrated pins in here, guys. Nice click on two. Nice click on three. Hard to get on the top of these pins with this rounded tip. Oh, I was just in. I slipped. Did you see that? My thumb slipped off of this thing. Let's try it again. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. There, we're in. So you can get in with it. Southord upside down. You can get right in with it. Less than a minute. So the American lock, you can get in. Cannot use your tension bar though. No matter what you do, you got to have a different tension bar. So would you really want this? I don't know. So let's try this carbon fiber job. Ooh. I thought it was really great until I started picking with it. And this is sharp as a razor. I don't know why. I guess. So thin though, you can fit this in a case that closes right up and goes right in your pocket. So this is probably for covert work. This is great. Now their tension bars really didn't work too great, so you're going to have to add to their kit. Let's get this Covert Instruments. Now let's try the carbon fiber. Kind of like this. Got to click on one. Oh, yeah. Really overset on one. Click on two. We're going to reset this, guys. All right, let's try it again. Good click on one. Good click on two. Nice click on three. 4 is set. We should be in. Yeah, there we go. Nice, huh? So the carbon fiber really didn't save me that much. Let's try the Jimmy Longs. This is so comfortable. Ah, I really like it. I didn't appreciate it till I started using it. Set up with our top of the keyway, covert instruments, offset tension bar. We got nice Jimmy Long. Boy, this feels good in the fingers, guys. You're going to work hard on these things. You might as well have something that's comfy. All right, let's go in here and try what we can with picking. So, one is picked. Two is picked. Three is picked. Four. Three. Let's go back to three. Three is the trouble child. Too much tension. We should be in. Three. Wow. There we go. Well, who wins? I guess the Southord. Southord wins. Of course, you couldn't use it because you don't have a tension bar. But it did win the battle. I'm shocked. So, there you have it. Jimmy Long's. Beautiful pick, though. Highly recommend Jimmy Long stuff. The carbon fiber hurts terribly. And the Southord does not hurt. It feels good in the hand. Nice big pick. So if you get a tension bar, you carry tension bars maybe, I don't know, in your back pocket. I doubt it. And you spin it around so it looks good. Southord, you'll have it. There you go. Thanks again, guys. Door and lock tips. I hope you enjoyed the show. Southord, would you buy it for 40 some bucks, or would you buy the $14.99 H&H model? I don't know. I'd say I'd get that locksmith keyless H&H. I haven't used it, but it looks identical. Really is. Well, let me show it to you. Handmade, quality, it says. I believe it. And it's only 14 bucks from Locksmith Keyless. I think that's the best. I was looking around. There's so many knockoffs with funky names. This really looks beautiful. Stainless, so the powder coat won't scrape off. Same design as Southord. There you go. That's my recommendation. Locksmith Keyless H&H Jackknife lock. It says folding pick tool knife for locksmiths. Well, if you're in the locksport, you're going to love this. Anyway, there you go. What am I going to say? Novelty. Thanks again, Mike, Door and Lock Tips. you.